rigo liao ase intake ya January eyogenderete nigo bakuru achikusi ao mbabuate mechanical production, welding, automotive technology, fashion design, cosmetology, human resource management, office administration and secretarial, electrical engineering, civil engineering, building technology, masonry, plumbing, carpentry and joinery, ICT technician.
Samarieta ngo kwa Jackson Omae igondo mwalimu Kabere ase school ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College ose a deputy principal ase college ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College is located ase Neliwari Masaba constituency ward ya Gesusu ikaroweka ase junction ya Geteri. Aiga ase college yetu abanafunzi ndobwate chinjira mbalimbali tokubakonya ekorama itenga abayigoli baito gotwara barobwawa ase ngenjo ya school fees. Kero mwanafunzi ekira se college yetu kubakonya tuli kubaijuleria kusips eje kuba funding kurwa se serikali pamoja na funding kurwa se High Education Loans Board. Elinde banyaragora bakora kikosi cyabo asubworora na kutabukya kwirari bageri asengencho yo kwaligania abasaye baito pamoja na bayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakanyora kiskiri ejira abakonye isikali mwali intake intogendrete karibu
intake ya January nigo egendrete ayirira nigo bagutuka asesemo ya Nyaribari Masaba liya Tirimba asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batarire ase website www.riatirimba.tvc.ac.ke Riatirimba Technical and Vocational College, scaling heights of technology.
Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Gusie bono na bukwegokya asogo sonja ETV ya ubanje kya Getembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimruli ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiaho kuli mienzi ya Kenya, ili Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, wikanonya Zambia. Egulire edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas no guchingira ku mwaka muya idubwego kinemiruli yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Getembe Television Network Ekeonga kya Momogusi.
Magorova engia omwanchwa omorigereria andonsi asoto bwatrete na kwariganirie na boigo na gukwanirie kinde no kwegina Jumatatu yago ya chakire bya na boigo nkoerere bya ekero chire tariki 25 nemo ngukwarigania ase Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere elionkomanye onsi agendete gokorekana korwa Chinsemo aona mange aberega koenekigwa korwa ime amonesko yeliro bali agusi isaransoike elionko yamanye asenchira yobwikirano nigo tokubwaterana nero Wilson makori korugaria sensemo yebimanyererio eliko enekingo ya nyorore na ncheni gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto. Mwanchumo rigereria Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere nigo togo chaka korwa ase wizara yechisemi ase umwaziri ebwechisemi umuske Julius Migoso Gamba agendrete gusingirira kuboria aborokia banene ase chiskuru weta wanchira aboroki wa grade ya 10 gosoa ase chiskuru nonyenekero batabwati chibesa gose chi uniform umuske Migosi nigo boigo akwanira chibesa gocha ase chiskuru ase boigo abakago kwanira igoro ye tabu ebyo aboroki wa grade ya 10 bakageire gochigotumika Migosi boigo nigo aikirana ase gikaro giensengima ekyo gyokurigereria igoro yechisemi ase omucho Nairobi nabo nwalenge ko yakwanira ayonsi muri kito dipon asanya naikirana ase omucho Nairobi na nigatwariganirie oroboti oruo ase wikirano
ase entunda ya kabere nigo muwaziri wechisemi omuske Migosi Gamba abwatukire gikurire getindi gochia asabari abanene b'ekiskuru abukero kende bagoseria aborokia gochianka asogotekerana kwa magani abo bunaganire anene chi uniform ukonekere kyundi gatebirenga bune serikali igaborokia abo barererwe getambukero egetindi ne serikali.
Principals need to support the government, and we are working with the TSC, and from today that has been collected in the field. Should we find any principal who has returned to child law of them not having school fees, each of them not having school uniform, action will be taken through the employer, the TSC, including dismissal from their jobs.
Gukonekerekyo ni goboigo akwanira emeroberio ya serikali yogochikoenana ebitabu gochia ase chiskuru
That the students are starting learning today. The guidelines and the date which are already distributed to the teachers, they are working on their CMs, etc., etc. Some things going on in that space, and that is 50% in books. The other 50% is going to be based on the government and about groups of the subjects. We have listened to two cookbooks, two cookbooks per subject.
Igoro yechibesa cha capitation gochia ase chiskuru nigo omuske Migosi aine kirebuna serikali nigo yabwatukire kerengo yechibesa 50 igoro yemia gochia ase chiskuru lyokonekia amasomo amororo gochisaborokiwa.
I know the capitation that we give, which is for secondary school, is 2,254. It's given in 3 installments. First term 15%, second term 5%, first term 20%. We reduce the 50%, and the second reason up of this is 4 days of the ourselves. And that amount is to sustain the students for the first term this financial year or this academic year. So issues related to whether or not to go to be able to face that issue have conversations that we have. Look at what can be done, take the budgetary constraints that exist, and if there is a possibility of getting more money, then we have to go back to that. But at the moment, we are dealing with the 50% that doesn't have to understand.
Nigo akwana yaiga chingaki aumirana na babwatani au be sekta yechisemi unenjire yemo yogo kwanera emechando elia nene rengete esekte yo ime yomocho Nairobi kuripoteri gitaseni kia Getembe elietera na igongoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Wanchumo ligereria orobotio rwa Dipon Asanya na rogotwa liboririe lituko asentaite osangera inche ebirengereri byago nga ayekerengereri kyago nkereki kubwatekana no guchika okukwa bete gukorerwa ne serikali muna aborokiwa basoe asechi skuru nga nonyenekero batabwati amagani aisaine anene chi uniform gose school fees okuno guchika kwa bete gukobwato kwa no muraibwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto kucha asechi skuru chonsi anene aborokia banene nga aborokiwa anene bali ba grade ge 10 ekero bagosoa asechi skuru mbaba sagoseliwa kolende banchiruye basoe asechi skuru nonyenekero batabwati uniform gose school fees ebirengereri byago mbiri bebi sangana inche kwetera ase namba yezimi 0726446377 elio nyare kuba kogo sangana inche onyare kuba kogo ntebi ebirengereri byago mbiri gosera bokondikira ujumbe yago igali sensemo ya Facebook no tole muna Getembe TV na YouTube no tole muna Getembe TV togo tigana nayo abonchuria abechiro ya kibirigo eyo egotoka ime ye ward ya Bonyamatuta ebunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira nigo emambye litukulia lero ebesokia na kubulia serikali ye county eyo ekoragunero mugavana bwe county yo Muske Amos kimumenya libo naboigo ondebwensi obwate omoyo bwwancha anyale ko bakawesokia eligokonya omusacho yomo oyo tamanyiri asarwete na asagocha kubwatekana nere temanyeti kurengana na aboncheria bwo nigo batebire buna omusacho yoiga okagire koba gati emyaka 30 goika emyaka 40 nigo arolekanire asechire ya kebirigo asechi wiki bere bono na nigo abeire kagwe kurura kurwa asegesonekemo goika asegesona kende asekeribuna nigo omusacho yo atemanyeti kubotekana na aboncheria bwo nigo bamentire na gotebabuna nonye nukuria endagera enkongu nigo ekobo muchando manene guchaso omusacho yoiga asekeribuna talikonyara koyetakuna muri kitu Fatgad Gisemba norobotio ruo.
Umusacha uyoiga ukagire koba kati y'emyaka 30 n'emyaka 40 uyo utaramanywa asarwete nonya nerita ryaye gekogera tarakwana nigo akagire koba asechiro iyo ya kebirigo wetania chiwiki ibere bono nigo abairega wetanana wetera ukwagura kurwase egesonekemo gucha ikende Caroline oko no munjuriria uyore egati yabu babeire bawesokia na gotema komoa ndagira engusu.
Kwa majina ni Caroline Oko. Jambo ambayo imetupata kwa sasa ni ya huyu mgonjwa ambaye amelala hapa hivi. Huyu mgonjwa hawezi akaongea, hawezi kula na kwa sasa hivi amemaliza 2 weeks. Hatujui familia yake. Na ya pili hawezi kuelezea venye amefika hapa hivi. Kwa sababu inaonekana ametoka mbali.
Na niki cyane geke nabokora nabwato mucyano egekogera tari kuragira tari kuimuka asaikarase no ari okwagura kuna kwagura cyusi garenge gikigari nyaro abantu botogakagira nawo amaru anywete kumbe tari maru arenge orura segari nyaro bono kire bisona bono in fact wasu nabotoroche ngantu bwato bwo bake serikali yarenge gwanja emurusi ga emokonye rira banyena asebare nanda tangasu amanyikana asa abanyene bare erinde bamonyore bamuire bakikomurenda
kubatekana na yaboigo ebatebire omusacho yoiga nigo ataratwara chingurubuya kubwatekana nenjira are nganonya no koria endagera enkongu tari konyara kuyita kuna
wenye walimuona mara ya kwanza wiki ambayo imepita walikuwa nasema kwamba miguu ilikuwa imefura na alikuwa kando kando ya barabara. Wasamaria wema wakamsaidia mpaka amefika wakati huu, kwa sababu kuna wengine ambao walikuwa na utu, walikuwa naweza kumnunulia maziwa, wengine glucose na wengine hata kumpa nafasi ya kulala mahali.
ukwagura ukuiga kwaye kurwasigisieri kenyumba kucha ikende nigo kwaireire boigo akongu abaunjuria abaiga kugendereria ubunjuria bwabo puna butambe
otonya kubaga go to affect bune ndo abanyabiasara asengenjo nigo gocha kwanyora gaikaransi gesieri kyawo gara irororo ono ogusinyuko igora no gusinyuko musuki tari gotara nabo nabari bunari buna muro Chinsa ari gorende
nabo turi no ogokumia konene kero dukubuka mambia kwanyora omonto araire gesieri kiao nona asogosoa ogosoera igwasinyo.
Bono nigo basabire serikali ye kaunti ya Nyamira nabo igo onde bwensi ore no moyo muya wesokia asobwango na kumuya omusacho oyo iga eryo airwe enyagitari eryo abweni gweritangani abantu bamwabo kobagenderete kuganyererwa eryo nabarabu besokie asengencho yokomotambua.
Wane tugusaba iga serikali gakinya kwa yo konyo muntu yo kurunse iga saraire moroche state ya itelingi ya mono. Wane tugusaba serikali nyakuba yo komokonye murusi iga bakieto mwiriro mucho Nyamire muruari anyara ko bagakubwena nere family yabo nyara ko bageko munyora na somorembe
okoiga na kugusaba kwa babenyi abaiga byomoje okebirigo abo kanyara ko bakoboria serikali ye kaunti ya Nyamira nabo igo onde bwensi obwate omoyo muya eryo erwe gokonya omusacho oyo iga oyoberega kobara asaya iga erinde anyara ko bagakonyora obobwenia ingo ripota Getembe koroiga somoche okebirigo oyo gotoka ime ye wodi ya Bunyamatuta ebunge ya West Mugirange kaunti ya Nyamira Jefatigad Hisemba.
Nabigo manchumo rigereria asorobotirunde omongino yo mukuru wa ase kinyorugie chironge meya Kiamukama division Kiamukama ward meya bali masaba county ya Kisii nigesokia ase barasa ya korekana litikulia lero ase Chinsa mecho na kubolia amate amona abanyakenyuru amona bagambi bonsi abanyare ko bakuimuka bakumokonya na kumuikange kigima elikugayana engusanano eyugendete kwenekiwa ase nkayaye anene igoro yendemero korengana no mungino yo nigabeire gakoerana gotebabuna endagera amone chimbebe nigo byabete bigosaliwa eyo ya moirerere gutwara obwoba ase obogima bwaye igento kya moirerere wesokya nakoya kwanira yo ase barasa asabire gakuria obokonyi muri kito Wycliffe Tyson Manyara na ikirana ase Chinsa mecho na gutwariganira roboturwo
Raili Nyanjama Ontita oyore omongina omoke ogatatu bwomogaka Stephen Anyona murefu nigo atameire eamate abanyakenyoro amona abagambi komokonya kukaganyana omugusano bwendemero ora asenga yaye endagera amone chimbebe nigo chiaba chigosaliwa eyo yairerete korangerie barasa ase Chinsemo ekyo
lero igo nachichaiga nabagambi baminto asengencho yeri ugiri abiriri bwa kurwo mogaka Anyona muina bwamira nimbororo bwoboremu omugaka Anyona abwata abangina batatu mongno munene akuru kwere na abwata abamura batano uyu kabira akuru kuroda igabwata abamura babiri uyu gatatu Rael igabwata omumuro yombo
akirega iga imbwata bakongu isumbogete na tuboli mubwana no mugaka na Anyona akarango bolimo akanga buya tukangalie namba akanga akambe kiresi pakaba mbaro ba tupatatu akatobekera twensi kerato bekera obole mobu bwayalire nando mbokire bina konseriale ngandu asobole mobu tamanyetio obutere kinyomba cyane yani urabwana obutere okolire obutere cyane okolire obutere matoka no okolire ebituma byano obutere okolire kimbwati kende ngolia
korengana no mongina Raeli omugaka oya Stephen Anyona na baterete obolemo asichinga kichaitire na kera omongina nigo abwate etaito didi yaye kurende bono omugaka oyoye nigo abeire gakumonchokera na komorentera liberera na nigo baikanirie ase kigambere kenene na ekigambere kyo nigo getaranyara kuna cha gosego kora ekina ekyo
nasengenjo toseri gukorwenka aso gwengeto seri motara imoka abande mbacha bakarigereria ng'aki mochiora bibi motara imoka moike kamarenga na kyo mochiora bibi gati na mogwanja nganto seri no korara atokorara simichi senyesa atobwato bwa batoko basariri n'emiora
yego tebe kananga ekerobo mubwatetwe omonge na Rael igaro jitari go transfer yetari yaye na ende go chiaso mumura bokali go direct ase erietari ya Ruben as Oseka Anyona
abanyakenyoro na eamate nigo baikirana ase barase iyo na gotebania asobwa mabuna omong'ina Raili Nyanchama Ondita nari n'obusibore na obwene bwaye kogenderera koba ase endemere iyo egekogera buna asita iyo agochia nainde nere obwatete ito didi anyare koganya ekigambero ekenene inakike gochi konacha ekina ekyo
aywanjendo muhamate wetenyoro ayose omong'ina obwata bokong'u mwakoye mbwa mwabo nimanyete obogima bw'omuchie mong'ina Raili anyona yore omuntu naye mwakoye namunyomete officially noremba akorete enyangiya mission osege serikali
abamate bakwanira amang'ana bari barengo including bari batetobole community yamanya gotebanga omong'ina Raili nere bamanyete obogori mubono obwaye asikwe mbaka bali bagoteba baboirire barente land register mugaso igora beke chipekon tomanye buri mu bwa Raili aseboigete nabo mwante bya bamate
ase barase yeyo abagambi abo barengeo mbanyara gukwanira chisemi oborendi na ayande ayarengete ekenyoro ekegima
omwana oyo nko muimo kibuna toreiga imuire mbake school bune directive ya Ruth aso igwime unconditionally asome gosoma ndalo twateba
kuripotera Getembe kurwa kiamo kama ward nyali bali Masaba Kisii County nje Wycliffe Tyson Manyara
Mwancho morigereria ntore no kwegena nga omong'ina uyu nachikonyora akiaye ekero amang'ana yo agochi kurigereriwa omokonyi bw'omurayo munene bw'ikiama gia Jubilee omusike Daktari Fred Matiang'i nigaberega komochia eserikali kugwatikana nechiburaburu echiabete chikoenekigwa ase kanisa yemo imeye bunge ya Uthaya ase omusangiririkano oyo obete kogwikiranwa noyo kabere omokonyi bw'omurayo bwense ya Kenya Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua kurengana nere niga koera na goteba buna eserikali nige bwendete gukora obutuki bwaime na koenekibuna egetambukire getindi keri chiko ingechikwemukiwa gocha sebonsi abo baratoke na mamocho.
If it comes to a point where it has expired in your case, you don't have to beat innocent children and women about it. Go say sasa vile imekuwa iko namna hii, kutakuwa na siku ingine. That is how life is, and that's how we become a mature country. But we shouldn't go the way that happened yesterday. Very, very shameful. And we have seen this again and again and again. The level of arrogance that you see, goons, armed people, moving around. And then, for me, no one will tell me, will give me lectures about, we didn't know what was happening. A national leader of Gachagwa's stature, when they move to a particular place and they're going to have a function in a particular place, the county security team knows. The National Intelligence Service officers in that area knew that there was going to be a meeting that day. How can you tell me that they did not know there was a plan to disrupt the meeting? So this pretense and so on, okay, it will be tested. They have said it, they have all vowed action, including the Inspector General. Let's give them the benefit of doubt and wait for the action.
Naboigo omujumbe bwe county ya Kisii omusubati Donya Doris Abuli nigo litukulia lero achaka etaro yaye yebyombe ase county ya Kisii ngima musike Donya nigo aroberete kuchugutalera ebyombe au buna enchre ya moyo kubisira naboigo konyora libaga lyogosemania muna abangina
Baby, abagaka mo baita mo abarugera mo abaendagera yose. Tigakoringere byesi miyo mosacha ekeriyo koringo korore kalibo byesi miyo mosacha okorera yani wasi niwe sibyo yakamafuta osomeka chianga iga okochikonya koringo byesi miyo moga ngi okorere sibyo moga ngi utaka kwa ngente koro ate koro kare tikase more tisuta mumanya ngakikanya yaisike ngote wone nche na achicha mbalike membership ndabatigere bese yenke kyagara incho mate mbwate account yengima chibese chiri mbwate nchingi saini mpaka ndiya mara
Wancho morigereria oroboti rwaye omwakilishi bw'abasubati meye county ya Kisii na rogotoikia asensementangani ye Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere kurende nyuma ntaragenda asomutimo komoke ningani kurigereria bali bonsi bagendete gutobwatia kurwa Chinsemo ao na kurwa ebirengereri byabo igoro ya serikali gutuma aborokiwa ocha ase chiskuru gose kurwa ogochika ocha ase chiskuru aborokiwa bande chiskuru no nyenekero batabwati ebinto biribiganiri anene uniform amo ne school fees nara okorokunga agonte binga serikali tiga eke ase ground serikali baike ase ground barore situation bunere tagutuma abana gocha ase chiskuru bosa batabwati kende the situation is dire oyakorokunga omwalimu mayonya kina Emmanuel Korwa etono Kenyenya sub county eragotebanga tiga abalimu baike ase chisukuru bosa serikali ikase chiskuru eriyo barore ngaki chiskuru kire nyuma bataratuma abana oyo ni gakorokunga Edwin Ondieki agonte binga ekyo nekerengererie ekiya gusine getambukiro ekiya kurwa serikali eriyo bakonye aborokiwa nabo bakonye abaibori anena bali batari kwenyara konyora amasomo oyu nigo agusapoti ekerengererie ekyo kefa oseko niga goteba buna nche nigongo tebaiga serikali tiga eche ase ground erorenga kichiskuru chire litangani nyuma bataratuma abana nganonye bagutuma abana gochia ase chiskuru abana bo mbatakire kuragira nande mbatakire gwesoka bijya barorekane ko ba aborokiwa oyu nekerengereri kyaye mimi ni ugari korwa Kenyenya Rio Kindo agotebanga tebanga tiga serikali eike eriyo erorenga ki aboroki kobugenderete ase chiskuru nyuma bataranchiro gosoa ase chiskuru banyale ko baba gosoma umunchu murigereria genda gutuma ebirengereri byago eriyo onyale ko bakogontebya aye birengereri byago mbiri bikubwatikana no guchika we serikali gutuma aboroki gocha ase chiskuru nonyenekero batabwati ebintu biribiganiri tobasa gusukare nkwera tore asense munyakabere ye Ekeonga eritogendere gusanga mangi.
Karibu Borabu Technical Training Institute, kituo cha maarifa, ubunifu na ujuzi wa vitendo kwa maendeleo ya kesho. Katika Computing and Informatics Department, tunatoa kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia, ICT, computer programming, cyber security pamoja na digital animation and media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department, tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za plumbing na building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronic na Telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu kupitia Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, Hair Dressing na Beauty Therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kebirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746 211 764 au 0727 433 205 au 0725533426. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabutiti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, Technical Skills for Development. Welcome to Elimu Academy, a modern school committed to offering the best education for every learner. We are CBC compliant and provide junior secondary education, ensuring a seamless academic journey for your child. We provide excellence in every detail, a modern, spacious library, fully equipped for every learner, a state-of-the-art science laboratory and a modern computer lab, perfect for hands-on, practical learning, spacious, modern classrooms for comfort and focus, top qualified teachers certified by the Ministry of Education. In the latest Kenya National Council for Examinations KJSEA results, Elimu Academy recorded outstanding performance. Out of 48 candidates, 29 exceeded expectations, 17 met expectations, and only 2 approached expectations. Most impressively, 32 learners successfully transitioned to C1 secondary schools, a true reflection of strong academic foundation and consistent excellence. The 2026 intake and admissions are ongoing. Hurry and secure space for your child today. Located 2 kilometers from Kisii town along the Kisii-Keroka highway. Call us on 0741 562 931 or 0780 894 411. Elimu Academy, educating for eternity.
Karibu nande sensemo ya kabere Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere eliongendere gukomanya. Omwaziri we wizara ya mang'ana agenda umuske ana Kiptumo nigo abolirie ogokeaniwa na boigo gusira wechisegi chiegenka buna enchereyemo nande enchere nyororo yogusukia ensi ya Kenya mutu. Umuske ana nigo alenge kuyakwana yaiga asamagacho ya State House chingaki alikuru roboti igoro ya mang'ana yechisegi chiegenka ase Chinsa mechu.
The work of this task force marks not the end, but the beginning of a renewed, resourced and relentless national effort to realize a Kenya where every citizen is safe and has dignity. I thank you, Your Excellency, for your steadfast leadership and your unwavering commitment to the empowerment and the protection of the people of Kenya. I'd just like to make a small correction from what the chair said. 15 billion is not enough. I think she meant 50 billion. So I think billion. Yes, because 15 million per year is not enough. It is the, how much was it? Billion, yes, not million. Yes, she meant 15 billion, not 15 million. So that is the kind of a budget we are looking at. But not only the budget, but we also, the campaign that she spoke about, where we go to every function, whether it is church, whether it is a school, whether it is any function, we will be speaking about it because we need our country to be safe. We need our women and girls to be free. We need our boys and girls to enjoy the leadership of His Excellency the President. I want to agree with you, Chair, that the only way to Singapore is to support the work the President is doing through the building of affordable housing, the markets, but we will not enjoy working in those places unless we do away with GBV and femicide.
Ase ensemu ya yemuraibwense ya Kenya, Daktari William Ruto igoro ya mang'ana yu agenda nigo abereka gukwanira guse nigo abereka kuburia bali bonsi engane yu enyareko bage kurigererwa asobwime na gotababuna nigo eserikali irachikobeka omukia kwene kibuna oroboti oruo ingo ikirana rure asinchira yubikiranu nigo boigo abereka gotogia ekamati yu asengenje gosokia oroboti ro ikiranete abo igorore asebirengo biribiganirie.
I commend you for, I went through the report and I am persuaded beyond any doubt that you did apply your minds and effort appropriately. And as a means of ensuring that we pay you back, we will make sure that this report is implemented. And therefore, Waziri, you have your work cut out to process this through cabinet. And if we need the services, the support, the input of any one of the members here, please allow us to reach out to you so that together we can see this report implemented. Let this report mark not an end, but a turning point, from silence to action, from impunity to accountability, and from fear to safety. Together, as a nation, we must ensure that no Kenyan lives in fear because of their agenda. I thank you. My congratulations to all the members here, and you have brought out what was expected of this committee, and therefore we will roll the rest of government into action to make sure that we protect our families, we protect our children, we protect women, girls, boys, and everybody. Thank you very much.
Ababwatani bekiama kia UDA nigo baumirana aso muchu Nairobi asa magacho State House ase baba bagukwanira amangana mange alengete ekiamekyo na goteba nigo obokorori bwekiama kia UDA bogendrete koenekiwa muno asense ya Kenya.
Will be launching the extension of the railway line from Naivasha through Narok, through Bomet, through Nyamira, through Kisumu, into Malaba and into Uganda. That is why, after we do Rironi Mau Summit, the President will lead us again to extend that road in two ways. One way through Eldoret to Bungoma and Malaba, another way through Kericho, Kisumu, into Malaba. Rise the fire, see fire. That is why we are modernizing the Kenya Ports Authority in Mombasa. I've spoken to KPA this morning. Soon the President will go there to groundbreak for a modernization program for Mombasa Port.
We at the legislature, when we receive legislative proposals from the executive, we take our time and share our thoughts, infuse that which we feel will work better for the country, and finally send it over to the President for assent, and it becomes law. And many times we do that fully aware that we went to the campaigns together, you led us as a team, and there are promises that we made to the people of Kenya, which we in Parliament work hard to ensure that we implement.
But moving on now to even what you have called or christened the Singapore dream or the journey to Singapore. That indeed, Your Excellency, as we put on page 10 of our manifesto, and I had hoped the Secretary General would have shared a copy of our UDA manifesto and the Kenya Kwanza manifesto. Part of what, Your Excellency, you have been speaking to is the establishment of a National Sovereign Wealth Fund and the National Infrastructure Fund that we actually put in black and white on page 10 of our manifesto. And we say that we shall establish a national infrastructure bank. We call it a bank in our manifesto, and that is what we are now calling a fund. And I know there are discussions, Your Excellency, on still
Mwanchumu ligereria ase umusangiririkano yuyo nigo umuraibwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto airari bagaria bene na gukwanira okubwaterana agati yekiama kia UDA hamona kiregia ODM ase abagakoenekia na gotababuna eganga yokubwaterana uko no koenekibuna mbachikubwaterana asobochori obonene bolibosyo aso mwaka wechiri bubere na 2025.
As you are aware, we have also, as we talk today, we have a broad-based government arrangement. Si ni kweli? Tulikuwa na matatizo, makelele, fujo, maandamano. Tukasema, in every challenge, there is a silver lining. And there is an opportunity if you look carefully. So in that challenge that we were undergoing, instead of focusing on the challenge, we decided to create an opportunity out of it. Today we have a broad-based government with our friends, the ODM party, and we have agreed that this broad-based has worked. Has it worked or has it not? Ule Mbadi si anaeleza maneno ya bottom up kuliko wengine wetu hapa? Ama? He's done a good job, right? And all the other members of ODM who have worked with us in government. And it is said, if it is working, don't fix it. Sindio? So what we have agreed with the leadership of ODM, that let us explore the option and the opportunity of having a coalition going into the next election. And it is because we want to broaden our base. Listen to me, guys. This election in Akuja, we want to win by a margin of between 2 and 3 million. Mnanisikia? Wacha nirudie. This election, the last election, we won by a margin of 200,000. 200,000. This election, we must win by a margin of 2 to 3 million. Ndio tuunganishe Kenya, tutembee pamoja. And I am very clear in my mind. There is a reason, there is justification for us to consolidate the country into one.
Wanchomo ligereria gwikira buno toko yakira umusumali Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere kolende ekero tutaraya kora ndigereri bali babaire bagontumira ebirengereri byabo ase chinsemo au SMS asensemo ya Facebook na bagensemo ya YouTube. Mimi ni Ugari kurwa Kenyanyari Okindo amone anenaya agotebanga tiga all ed teachers batwara wa masikani gocha serikali kayatebire tiga abana bagende ase chiskuru nabo igo nara okurukwanga nere onyancha mutaruki kurwa gesore agotebanga abana bachire chiskuru lakini serikali tira kana besa asabo igo kago tebuna serikali kayatebire gento tiga yafuatilia abana nigo bago ikase chiskuru ogosabwa chibesa onyetebabwati baira nigunga okay ayo na maoni aye ande naro gotebanga batike gutungaina nchirende teri uratuma abana gocha ase chiskuru bosa batabwati kende obolimo bosa. Mimi ni Evans Omariba nachulikana kama okay sawa. Asante sana. Vinly Mose wa Kenya agotebanga incoming MCA bas Masige Bogetori Award agotebanga na kupata loud and clear agotebanga chiskuru na echirase award ya Bogetorio gakia serikali etakire minyoke erore ene kibuna borokiwa nkonyora bali omushara nkonyora bali sawa otebirenge serikali AKA chiskuru eliene kinga abalimo nabo igaborokiwa nkonyora bali bintu bibisaine anene bitabu na the resources chitakire elio abana banyareka bagosoma ekerongurigereria igalia sensemo ya Facebook bali bonsi babere bagotobwatia na kurwa ebirengereri byabo Barnabas akibaso agotebanga nwale kurwa chinsamo chicha Qatar nigagotebanga ere nigo akurwa 100% support gocha ase ekerengererio ya serikali Governor Jared Ombiro agotebanga okay era kubolinga abana bakuba kwende skuru ingento kikiri bago chigotumeka bakoria ngaki bago chigosoma onye serikali ge kubatuma bosa batabwati kende eno kumochere agoteba nwale kuruchinsa machiri chezibania boda lakini nigo ago support ekerengererio ge serikali gotuma aboroki gochasi chiskuru asekeringa nigo ababori abange boniga batabwati chibesa. Life of our children at school are not good, if so let them give them money. Oyoniga kurukunga Daniel Ondara abatabanga tigachibasa chirugu abana basoe ase chiskuru basome asekeringa bokuma bwe chiskuru mboli buya. Asante sana umwancho murigereria bali bonse bagende tugotubwati na gututumira cyujumbe cyabo gekuraga Chinsa inye ningirane na ndengendere gwetera cyujumbe cyago nebirengereri byawo igoro yogo chika gwe serikali gocha ase chiskuru chonsi ngokembia muno yabene asenge nchu wancha gusangana intwe gendera kurigereria Getembe TV ningo tobwateranira Wilson Makori kurugalia sensemo yebimanyererio nabo kurugalia sensemo ye chikamera ningo twarengenere Wilfred Matundra Oil kwanekia eliogine chibicha bya gwikire nigakorwo Kevin Ongeri gose DJ Hudson ncheni gongoro kwa Ruth Kemunto.
Welcome to Elimu Academy, a modern school committed to offering the best education for every learner. We are CBC compliant and provide junior secondary education, ensuring a seamless academic journey for your child. We provide excellence in every detail, a modern, spacious library, fully equipped for every learner, a state-of-the-art science laboratory and a modern computer lab, perfect for hands-on, practical learning, spacious, modern classrooms for comfort and focus, top qualified teachers certified by the Ministry of Education. In the latest Kenya National Council for Examinations KJSEA results, Elimu Academy recorded outstanding performance. Out of 48 candidates, 29 exceeded expectations, 17 met expectations, and only 2 approached expectations. Most impressively, 32 learners successfully transitioned to C1 secondary schools, a true reflection of strong academic foundation and consistent excellence. The 2026 intake and admissions are ongoing. Hurry and secure space for your child today. Located 2 kilometers from Kisii town along the Kisii-Kero